Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I am the Secret Yorkshire Cook and we do simple home cooking on this channel. So in today's video, we're going to be making the recipe that's absolutely taken social media by storm over these last couple of months, and that is the baked feta and cherry tomato pasta. As you can see, the ingredients that you need are on the right hand side of the screen. If you need some time, please do pause this video so you can write down the ingredients. Before we dive straight into making this recipe, I would just ask if you could smash that like button, drop me a comment below of what you think of this recipe, and please do consider subscribing or sharing this video with friends so they can see it. So guys, we're going to head straight into this recipe now. What's cooking, guys? Thank you very much for getting to this stage in the video. I really do appreciate it. If you have enjoyed this video, please smash that like button, drop me a comment of when you're going to make this, and do consider subscribing. Guys, I really enjoyed making this one. I've seen it all over social media and I thought I just had to give it a try, so I hope you do too. Guys, that's it from me. Stay safe, and as always, keep cooking.